Hi friends, it's Miss Pam. Imanol, I have a story for you today. It's called Dinosaur Train. We're going to be talking about transportation, and a train is definitely a way that you can get around. It's by John Stephen Gurney. Let's see. Thursday was a day much like any other for Jesse. Trains and dinosaurs. So trains and dinosaurs are his favorite things to do. He likes to paint and he likes trains. Dinosaurs and trains. He puts dinosaurs in the bathtub with him. That's funny. And he has a train set that he likes to play with. That's fun. Let's see what this says. And just before bed, Jesse drew one last picture. Guess what he made? Dinosaurs and trains with his crayons and his paper. And suddenly there was a loud noise, and the whole house began to shake. Look at his face. He's wondering what that noise was. All aboard! Someone shouted. All aboard? Look, what's this? Is that a dinosaur tail coming out from his window into his room? Oh boy. Please have your tickets ready. There is a dinosaur train outside his window. He's going to climb that dinosaur and get into the train. That's exciting. Thank you, said the conductor. The dining car is in the rear. He's taking tickets. That's what a conductor does. There's Boy down there in his pajamas. Look how big the dinosaurs are compared to him. Oh, look at how tall. The dinosaurs are so tall that this train cannot have a top. This must be the dining car. They're eating. It looks like that young boy dinosaur is having a burger and Mama's having a salad with Dad. How fun is that? Let me show you the view from our sky windows, he said. Look at Boy. He met a friend and they're having a drink together. Tunnel ahead, Jesse yelled, duck. Oh boy, there's a tunnel coming. Oh boy, see the tunnel? Way down over here. The train light is shining inside the dark tunnel, but they have to put their heads in, right? The train is going to go through the tunnel, and they're going to have to duck their heads down as it goes through. When they came out of the tunnel, Jesse said, "That was amazing." He's having a very fun time with this dinosaur train. Everyone leaned over to look. Look at how beautiful. What are they looking at? Do you see that? It's a volcano. That's so cool. Oh, look at how the train turns on the track. And I think it's tipping because all these big dinosaurs are all looking out the window. Whoa. Well, this is such a fun story. I love all these really big, tall dinosaurs. Jessie took charge. Come on, we can do it. Oh, look. Huh. Push, push that train on the track. Look at them all. Ooh, he's pushing the train with his head. Oh, thanks, son. You can ride with us any day. Oh, how fun. What? Next stop, Jessie's room. Oh, look at that dinosaur. That's so cool. The train's lights on. And there they go. Back to Jessie's house. I'm going to bring Jessie home to his room. What a fun night Jessie had. Dinosaur Train is the name of this book. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a fun day.